Hi everyone, here we've got LG V50 ThinQ, and let me share with you how to change some parameters which are attached to the photos in this device. So I will show you how to change the photo size, the image quality and aspect ratio. First of all, we have to obviously tap on the camera app in order to enter, and now all we have to do is simply enter the settings. But before, just take a look at the camera section, actually at the camera shape. As you can see now, it is rectangular and it is not elongated to the full screen. Okay, so now we can open the settings which are in the left upper corner, so let's do it. And now we have to tap on this camera icon actually. And as you can see here, we've got the photo size section and we've got some options to choose from. First of all, we've got the ratio, aspect ratio mentioned. So here we can choose from 4:3, which is right now. Sorry, that was a big mistake. We can choose a 4:3 option, which was previously set. Now we've got 16:9. We can choose also 18.9:9 and 1:1. So those options are attached to the ratio. So all you have to do in order to change it is simply tap on the option you'd like to use. I hope that you remember the look of the camera which have been previously applied. Now let me show you some changes. So let me pick 1:1, just tap on the option you'd like to use. As you can see, it is immediately applied right here. Let me tap on it again, and after getting back to the camera, you can see that the shape of it has changed, and from now on it looks more like a square, and obviously it is not elongated to the full screen. Of course, after choosing another option, probably it will elongate. So this is how to change the aspect ratio. Now let me share with you how to change the image quality and the size. So we have to enter the settings again, and let's tap on this camera icon. And after choosing a ratio, because this is the very first thing you have to decide, you can choose from another option. So as you can see, for example, 4:3 option divides into two different ones. So you can choose 12 megapixels or 6.1 megapixels. The same situation with 16:9, you can choose 9.2 and 4.6 megapixels. In 18.929, we've got 7.7 megapixels and 3.9, and in 1:1 we've got 9.7 megapixels and 3.4 megapixels. So it's really up to you which option, which quality, which resolution you'd like to use. And right next to it we've got the exact photo size. So all you have to do is simply tap on the option you'd like to use. So I will pick, for example, maybe 16:9 or 18.9:9, and I will pick 7 megapixels. So simply tap on the option you'd like to use. As you can see, it is also mentioned right here. So after getting back to the camera, after getting back to the camera, you can see that the camera has been elongated to the full screen, so it means that all the changes has been successfully and immediately applied. So actually that's all. This is how to change the photo size, the image quality and aspect ratio in your LG V50 ThinQ. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.